on to. Okay, who will do the class example? Who will read the class example 5?
Semi-annual rainfall of Los Angeles, California follows Pearson type 3 distribution. Find out the rainfall depth that we have 45, 1, 2, 4, 10, 20, 50, 80, 90, 95, and 95 or 99% chance.
Thank you. So we already have a group of like a set of data for the Los Angeles, right? You remember the last class example? We also calculated some distribution, like characteristics of that data set. So they are asking you to do if that distribution follows Pearson type 3 distribution, is there any way we can find out the rainfall depth that will have that percent chance to occur or happen? Okay, so since we have a data set, we know the distribution type. Is there any way we can find the rainfall depth? What do you think? What should be the approach? Is there any way we can work on this? So we are actually doing some sort of frequency analysis, right? And we know the distribution type. And we also know there are two methods to do the frequency analysis. One is the plotting position, one is the frequency factor. Now, based on all the available things you have, all the resources you have, what do you think? What will be the correct one? Like, or which one we should choose? Plotting position, we didn't discuss that much, so we are not doing that. But you have a table for not friction factor, but factor, table B2. So we can actually do the frequency, like frequency analysis by the factor, by using the factor, right? Okay. So the general equation for that one is x equals to x bar k multiplied with s, right? Now I will write down the given values. The x and s, can you give me that from your class example 3? What is the x bar for Los Angeles? 14.1. Okay, let's say, yeah, 14.9. And what is the standard deviation you got? 5.9. Okay, so we got x bar, we got s. Now we need to find this one. What else we need actually? The k value, right? Now for knowing the k value, we need to know what type of distribution we have. Do we know the distribution type for the Los Angeles data? The Pearson gamma or Pearson 3 type distribution, right? So from where we can get the k value? Table B2. Okay, let's go up to this point. Everyone got that what we are doing? Last bench, all of you got the idea what we are doing? Okay. So how can we find k? That is the table you have, right, on both sides. Now, here, these are the percent chance, like 99, 95, 90, 80, 50, up to 0.1. And I'm seeing at least 20 rows on both sides. Now, how I will know which one I should choose? Like all of these are 99%, 95%, like something. So which row I actually chose for our problem? Is there anything else I need to check or something like that? Any parameter I need to use here? All of the numbers, they are against which parameter? Q coefficient, that's correct. So do we have the Q coefficient for Los Angeles, California data distribution? What is that one? Negative 0.17. Okay. Now, this line, that one is everything positive, so we can't use anything from that one. From this page, we have the negative numbers, but we need 0.17. Do we have 0.17 in this table? We have what? 0.1 and 0.2. So what is the way to get 0.17 value? The interpolation. So I wrote down the equation on the board, the interpolation. Write down that on your copy. I will write that on here as well. And at this point, I think using Excel will be the best choice. Otherwise, it will take too much time to do the same calculation. Okay. Now, before you write down the interpolation, everyone's clear what we are doing here? Everyone? Good. So, what I will do now, I will just write down the equation here, the interpolation equation. So the equation is y equals to y1 plus x1 then y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Okay, now the question is x is what, x1 is what, that's what we need to identify. So we already know. So we are looking for x equals to negative 0.17, right? So x1 will be negative 0.1, x2 will be negative 0.2. And all the y1, y2, those values will be the values under that number. So I will just write down that number, y1 is negative 2.4, y2 is 2.72.
They were to get the negative 0.1 and negative.
Oh, that one is, since we are looking for 0.17, so 1.17 will be what? In between 0.1 and 0.2.
Oh, okay.
That's why I just chose 0.1 and 0.2. For any reason, if it was 0.56, I would choose 0.5 and 0.6. Okay. Okay. Now here, I'm just writing down one example for 99%. Y1 is negative 2.4 and Y2 is negative 2.472. So every time you do, what will be the only change? Only the Y1 and Y2. So X1, X2, and X, those are constant, right? So that's get that. So when you write down the equation on Excel, just you need to change Y1 and Y2, and Excel will give you the equation or like in any way you can set that. Or if you want to do that calculation by hand, you can do that, but it just, I think, meaningless. Your brain resource. Excel can do that for you. Okay, now while you do all the calculation, you can share with your friends also because it's the same number. I think I will set this table like how we are doing the calculation. Okay. So our equation is x equals to x bar k multiplied with s, right? So here I will write down x ks, here percent, and here k for cs equals to negative 0.17. Okay. Since I'm using this table, I will follow this sequence like 99%, 95%, 90, so that it will be a little bit easier for me. So the percent will be 99, 95, 90, 80, 50, 20, 10, 4, 2, 1.5. Okay. And please do that on Excel. It would be easy. Now, anyone got any number for the 90K value for 99%? Any number? I got negative 2.44. Anyone else got close to that? 2.2. Yes, that should be negative 2.45 or 44 or close to that. Because there is no way you can get negative 2.22. The limit is 2.4 and limit is 2.47. So it has to be within this number. That sounds correct. So this is the question. Here, y2 will be negative 2.472, y1 will be negative 2.4, x is 0.17, 0.14. Anyone else got any number? Just make sure you are getting the correct first number. The rest of these will work automatically. So I'm just writing down this one and check if you got that number or not. 2.45. No one got any number close to you got that? What about others? All of you are using Excel, right? Aidan, you got something? Micah? Okay. Let's check. That's correct. I got 0.5. So I think I just rounded that. You got something? Got something? Okay. Not working? Okay. Which part was the part? This one is also 40, so that will not work. What is just 2 less 4 plus 1? 0.17, right? So negative 0.1. So 0.1. That is actually this 1. 0.170. Okay. So we are actually looking at all the numbers. Yes, that's all. And that's why the Excel will have, because you set the number of the first one in okay. Okay, guys, I will try to